It is imperative that we take initiative to right the wrongs that we have caused in our world. We're already seeing some of the devastation that global warming and pollution is causing our home planet. If we don't take initiative, we're going to have a problem that's urgent and irreversible.
Due to car emissions, harmful chemicals, and other various factors, it causes greenhouse gases to damage our ozone layer, which allows the sun to increase the average temperature of the earth, which causes many things, such as making it more difficult for the natural wildlife to adapt and survive in their environments.
It will also damage our crops and our agricultural life.
Look at this orange! What happened? What is going on over here?
Increasing global temperature will cause sea levels to rise and will change the amount of precipitation, probably including expansion of subtropical deserts. The continuing retreat of glaciers, permafrost, and sea ice is expected.
We're going to go interview some people about the causes of global warming.
Okay, so what is your opinion on global warming?
On who?
Global warming.
Hey, who you at? I don't know you, Brad. What you following me for? What you following me, Brad?
Affect me. The air will be less pure.
I think global warming is a global issue. It's going to affect everyone in the future. That's why I think the world needs to change.
Hey, what you like, Brad? What you like? What is your opinion on global warming? What?
My opinion on global warming. I can only answer by what information I got from a lot of the TV programs that I watch.
It's very bad because then it's killing our ozone layer, and the ice caps are going to melt, and there's going to be no more polar bears. And the penguins. Let's not forget the penguins.
From time perspective, I think we will change in the future. Drive hybrid cars, have alternate energy sources, and maybe someday we can learn from our mistakes and prevent it from happening.
What's the kind of global warming?
It'll be an unhealthy climate. The planet won't be a safe and healthy place to live. We might have to go to another planet, take off on a rocket ship.
And the carbon dioxide ripped a hole in the ozone layer, and in the sun is now causing global warming, which is why it's so hot out here today.
What is your opinion on global warming?
Going to be nuts. Going to be nuts. We're going to be hot.
What do you think we can do to stop global warming? Like, what changes could be made?
Oh, lower emissions, get a hybrid car, electric car. Use less electricity because they need coal.
I think the government should take a more proactive approach. We want our government to corroborate what's happening. And if there is information out there that I don't know about, then maybe the government should step up and be the leader in identifying the problems and coming up with solutions and getting the world involved in trying to fix this potential problem that our generations after us will have to deal with.
The only way to stop it is for everyone to stop driving cars and start riding bikes everywhere they go, okay?
I hang my clothes out to dry now. I don't use the drying machine.
Maybe we can cut back on the use of these products that actually causes the global warming effects. I think for myself, us owning 3 cars, maybe we can cut back and just use 2. With the rail system coming up, maybe we can, cut down our use of our cars from 7 days a week to 4 days a week, which is very hard because we all have different things we have to do. But I think that's a small sacrifice to pay. Maybe my daughter, Leslie, who you guys know, maybe her kids and then her grandkids and my grandkids especially can enjoy a world, and we can leave them a world that's safe and enjoy the things that we've enjoyed throughout our life. I think we owe that to them and to our future generations.
This is a simulation of what will happen if global warming were to occur at this very moment.
It's so hot!
Oh my god, global warming is coming! Oh my god!
Run!
Global warming's coming!
Global warming!
Carbon dioxide acts as a blanket that insulates heat within our atmosphere. We are currently in an extreme excess of CO2. The world has never seen this amount of CO2 in our atmosphere ever in its history. That is all thanks to the mass production of technology based on carbon fuels. To reverse the effects of this mass production of CO2, we must cut down emissions. To do this, we have to be less reliant on our commodities. Every electronical device and fuel-based products contributes to global warming. We must reduce the use of all these sources, use vehicles less often along with other household items.
A couple solutions to reduce carbon emissions are:
cut down our use of our cars from 7 days a week to 4 days a week, which is very hard.
Drive hybrid cars, have alternate energy sources, and
For everyone to stop driving cars and start riding bikes everywhere they go, okay?
Is to contribute in the production of greenery. Our ecosystem has a natural way of ridding CO2 out of our atmosphere through photosynthesis of our plants. Right now, our ecosystem is getting so hot that our plants cannot sustain itself any longer. That means there's no way of ridding CO2 out of our atmosphere, which means the heat is just going to keep going up and up, and we're going to die.
Well, hopefully you've learned something from watching this video, and you take what you learned and you try to make a difference in this world.